Today, I'm sharing this airy crochet basket bag. I wore it to work already. It holds plenty, and I love this handmade style. Please like and save it. I'm using silver thread hollow cotton yarn with a 3.5mm hook. This yarn is lovely for bags. It has a soft sparkle and keeps its shape. Start the base. Wrap the yarn around your left hand from the little finger, across the index finger, and once around the middle finger. Hold the crossing point for a magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through. Chain 3. These turning chains count as one double crochet. Place a stitch marker in the third chain. Pick up the whole V, not just half of the stitch. This marks where you will join later. Yarn over, insert into the ring, and pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops twice to make a double crochet. Continue working double crochets, including the turning chain. Make 16 double crochets. Tighten the ring so there is no gap. Then remove the marker and slip stitch to join. Tighten the loop and begin round 2. Chain 3, 2. Chain 3 and place the marker in the third chain. Work into the slip stitch space. Make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and make 2 more double crochets in the same space. This completes the first corner. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. Work. Chain 1, rich emotions. Please. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. Then in next stitch work 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets for the next corner. Fun for the next corner. Repeat the same pattern around each chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and a double crochet in the next. At every corner, work 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double, 2 double crochets. At the 4th rhythm, wrist corner, finish the pattern, remove the marker, and slip stitch to the marked stitch. Make 2 slip stitches to move the yarn into the large corner space. Move the core air. The core free. Marged corner space. Begin round 3 with 3 chains, counting as 1 double crochet. In each corner space, work 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. Between corners, chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1, and double crochet in the next stitch. Work 2 double nulu in the muck stitch. Continue the same pattern Continue the same pattern around the base. Join to the third turning. Chain at the end of each round. Keep adding rounds until the base is the size you need. Keep adding rounds until the base is you need. A caravan and rich emotions, please. The base, please. The base is they finished. Count and e. Sistunli kensi en, though as to I'm the entenu. The center ring. There are 12 rounds. A storytelling rhythm and rich emotions, please. Now find the 4 decrease points. Locate the middle double crochet on each of the 4 sides in round 12 and place a stitch marker in each 12 and place a stitch marker even the silver's web. This was my state. Start the storytelling rhythm and rich emotions, please. Start the first body round from a corner. In the corner, chain 3, then make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets, 2 double crochet. A storytelling rhythm and rich emotions, please. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the next. Continue until the stitch before the markers. Dill, these, di, iju, os, sti. 1 stitch of the markers. Before the marker, make 1 unfinished double crochet. Remove the marker. Then make 1 unfinished double crochet in the marked stitch, and 1 in the next stitch, and 1 in the next stitch. Wools the marker, yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. This joins 3 stitches into 1. This joins 3 stitches into 1. Then chain 1 and continue with double crochet on each double crochet. Repeat this 3 stitches together. Decrease at each of the remaining 3 markers. Finish the first body round and place a marker a marker so the rounds are easy to count. So the rounds are easy to count. So the rounds are easy fee. Them easy to count. For the second body round, work the same pattern. At the previous decrease, make 3 unfinished double crochets across the 3 stitches, then pull through all loops together. The through, all loose. The puribo loose together. Continue normal motions, please. Continue normally. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and double crochet on the next. Work the same method on all 4 sides. With your sword or the mids. C. 4 side. The C. The second body round is complete in total. Continue the same way until vigradid. Eva Kazman round is complete. Continue the same way until the body has 15 rounds in total. Highs. This DDUs in totals. The bag body is finished. Move with slip stitches into the corner space for the top edge. Then chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the space. Move with submit. Rhythm and rich emotions. Please. Single crochet all around. Make 1 single crochet on every double crochet and directly on every chain space until you reach a decrease point. Decrease point. At the decrease, make 3 unfinished single crochets across the previous chain, the decrease stitch, and the next chain. Pull through all loops. Pull through all loops to join them into one. Continue with single crochet space. Please. Continue with single crochet. Use the same decrease at other 3 marked. Use the same decrease at the other 3 marked places and make 2 single crochets in each corner space. Sir. Slip stitch to the first stitch to finish the first top edge round. For round 2, chain 1, work single crochet and make the same 3 single crochet decrease at every marked point. Freebie marked point. After red. After the second round, slip stitch to join. Tighten the loop. Chain 1 to secure it. Cut the yarn and weave in the tail on the wrong side. Vi har hoodie coinbled. The visual leave is tailed on the wrong side. Sata kushmolis, lumas pushed. Now crochet the handles, leaving a yarn tail for sewing. Chain 2. Work single crochet back and forth until the handle is about 5 to 60 centimeters long. Sew both ends to the bag. Weave in the tails. Add the label. And your bag is finished.